Joining me, by the way, is our Chief Technical Officer, Brent Atkinson. 190 million Americans own smartphones, and almost every week we read some industry blog or article that questions whether we can get those 190 million people to use those smartphones to make payments. Truth of the matter is that question is moot. 25% of all retail payments this year will be made using a mobile phone. And in-commerce is growing significantly more rapidly than e-commerce because of that fact. We believe that the proper question should be, can we get consumers to extend their use of the phone for payments to making mobile payments at the point of sale? At PCW and at places like Boston Consulting Group and other places, we believe that financial institutions are in the best position to extend that capability. Consumers, it so happens, go ahead and advance the slides. Consumers, it so happens, agree with that. In poll after poll, when you ask them who they want to give them mobile payment services, they answer the banks. And they want that because they trust banks. I always point out to people, trust and like are two different things. Lots of people will tell you in polls they don't like their banker. But the fact of the matter is they don't put their money in the mattress either. So, we believe that one of the great opportunities that is available to us, both as a fintech vendor and as for banks, lies in the digital banking area. And the digital payments guardian that we provide was made to easily fit into that growing channel. 123 million people in the United States use their mobile phones to check balances, transfer money, pay bills, and make deposits. And we believe that that growing channel is where the greatest opportunity is for banks to easily extend those services to offer digital and mobile payments. This is a picture of that platform. We're going to move from that platform to a view of how this might look within a bank. This is just a mocked-up site. You can see that the bank is advertising the Secure Pay, which would be their brand of our white label solution. The customer logs in and selects a Secure Pay tab, and from that tab can see the cards that he or she has activated and the devices they use to make mobile payments. Because this is just an Envision thing, it doesn't really show the full functionality. So now Brent is going to log in to our demo system and show you the dashboard view from that point of view. And here we can show you much more the functionality. We offer a truly open mobile payments platform. We support credit cards, debit cards, merchant cards, gift cards, and loyalty and reward programs. We also support all operating systems. That includes, of course, now Android, and we have engineered to make it easy to extend that to iPhone users once Apple opens up its NFC for third-party development. The view here you can see is all the payment devices that this particular customer has activated. They've also activated several devices to be used, as Brent is showing you there. They have an easy view of pie charts that show them how they're using those devices and payment sources. Customer can, as this one has, offer or activate devices for family members, and we allow within our system for the customer to then determine which cards will be available for use specific to which devices. So if you enable a card for your son to use at college to buy books, you can limit which card that person actually has the opportunity to use. We want to show you, but before we delve too deeply, we want to show you in a moment how this works to support a mobile wallet. But first, we want to show you the view of our administrative portal, which is the financial institution's view within the system. From this admin portal, a bank or credit union can see the various parameters they've set up for their mobile payment offering. They can change those parameters if they choose. These are parameters like length of password, number of login attempts before account is locked, etc. Also from this console, they can look at the customers enrolled in their mobile payments program. And they can get a view of the number of transactions those customers have made, the total transaction amount. You see several of these listed here. Jesse Ventura is on our list. The customer can then drill down into each customer's preferences and information and get a specific view to what that customer has activated in terms of mobile payment sources, and also what devices they have authenticated and allowed to use those payment sources. There's a view of that. You also get a view of all the transactions the person has provided, which devices are activated and which are not. This is very useful to a CMO or CSR, both for different reasons. Now we'd like to show you the view of how you make a payment. Here are the card preferences. Those card preferences can be changed. Cards can be loaded in easily from the mobile wallet supported by Digital Payments Guardian. Those changes are synced back to the customer's digital profile. We support a simple tap and pay environment. We believe that's the best user experience. And that's an example of how that works within the mobile wallet. We like to think we're the mobile wallet for the rest of the financial institutions, that is, not the big ones who have almost limitless budgets and resources. We provide a model that any financial institution can use. And we'd love to talk to you more about it. Our booth is at 119. And please vote for us. We're from the Midwest. It won't go to our heads. Thank you.